All right, I've got a bunch of folks asking me how to put on the pre-runner bumper. And so what I'm gonna do is show you guys what needs to be removed to take the front of your truck off to attach another bumper onto it. First, what you're gonna do is lift up on these real easy. Be careful because they will snap and break in this area. Just take the clips off. See, mine's split right there, so just be careful of that. Once you pull this off, you're gonna go and remove these screws here. These two as well. Sometimes I loosen these up, but I don't think you have to. Just get these here, okay? And then that'll come off. There are two clips behind here. All you do is grab here on the outside and just pull forward or pull right here. And this on your headlight will pop off. The same with this side. On the bottom, this is mine already taken off. You're gonna have some 10mm screws that's gonna release the plastic on the bottom, as well as some quick release tabs that you'll pop out. Okay, so you're gonna do all those on the bottom, as you can see. And of course, that'll be up underneath your truck. You're gonna have plastic stuff. Now, over here, you're gonna loosen this screw here, and then this is going to pop off, and there's going to be a screw right behind here. You're gonna loosen that screw, and then that will allow you to take this piece, and there's some one-way tabs in here and underneath here, and you'll just pull this and all these will come out, and then this whole piece with this will all drop out. You're gonna have connections for your fog lights down there. And then what you're gonna do is once you get this off, you're gonna unclip all down here to there. See these clips? And then from here over is where you're gonna cut, okay? Same on this side. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna have some crash sensors. Once you get everything pulled off, you're gonna have crash sensors right here. You're gonna have to take those off and relocate those somewhere else. Some people leave them, some people relocate them. I would suggest put them on the front, put them up in here, put them over here, but they're front crash sensors. Once you loosen this and you cut, you'll cut here, cut your fender well. You'll take the cover out of there. Same on this side, you'll cut that fender well, and that's what it'll look like. And then this bumper is gonna have two metal pieces that are attached over here. You'll remove those, and then there'll be a bolt up here. You'll remove these two bolts, then this whole aluminum part will come out, and then back here you'll have three bolts that hold the little aluminum can brace on. Wait till you take that off, you're gonna laugh, because it's literally like the thickness of an aluminum can. And then you're gonna have a bolt on top of here on this side. That's actually a nut on that side. And then on this side, let's see if I can get up in there. That side, you're gonna have an actual bolt on there, or a screw, okay? And then once you take all that off, you're going to have to rewire some blinkers and rewire some fog lights. Your harness is going to be clipped right there. I have mine tucked back in there. You can unplug that. When you take everything off the front of the car, it's one plug that takes care of everything that's inside here. If you have a Ridgeline, you're going to have to figure out blinkers. But if you have a Pilot, your blinkers will be right there. Let me know in the comments if you guys need assistance with installing the bumper.